What's up guys, in this video I will show you a Bitcoin IRA platform that you guys could go ahead and check out, which will let your retirement savings work for you. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Bitcoin IRA's landing page. The link will be in the description below. And just like what you can see on your screen guys, it is the world's first and most trusted crypto IRA platform. And one of the things that I like the most about Bitcoin IRA guys is their insurance, which is 700 million compared to iTrust insurance, which is only at 320 million. And guys, you will see here that their buy and sell of crypto is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with over 60 plus crypto tokens that you guys could go ahead and check out. And guys, it is available for IRA rollovers, Roth, SEP, employer plan, 401k, and new or existing traditional IRAs. Guys, it is available in Google Play and in App Store, and they already have 3,500 plus 5-star reviews. So you guys can go ahead and check out this and see for yourself if this is something that you can utilize so that you could, continuously earn from your retirement money. Okay? Also guys, Bitcoin IRA has an exclusive partnership with BitGo that is the leader in cryptocurrency wallet safety, and it has never lost any crypto versus iTrust custodian wallet that have lost twice through bankruptcy, and that is bad if you are in this kind of business. So you have to make sure that you include that in your own research, include the safety of your assets, and this is something that you can actually trust with Bitcoin IRA. Now, for cryptocurrencies guys, they have a total of more than 60 cryptocurrencies versus iTrust's only 29 cryptocurrencies that are available. So you have a vast majority of other tokens. It's either the blue chip tokens or altcoins. So you could go ahead and choose from those, and you have a wide variety of options to choose from. Okay. Now this is something that it is highlighted here in the website guys. It is featured on Forbes, WSJ, CoinDesk, CNBC, and Barron's, and it is the industry leading crypto IRA platform. Now, just like what I mentioned earlier guys, buy and sell for 24/7. You have the insurance at $700 million, and then tax-free investing, which is a very good part guys. And then for price tracking and reports, it is also available here in Bitcoin IRA. So just like what I also mentioned, BitGo is their partner, and at the time of the recording, the latest prices is featured here in their landing page as well. So here are all their social media platforms guys. I would strongly suggest that, again, do your own research, follow their social media platforms. That way, if there are announcements or updates, airdrops, giveaways, raffle, you will not miss out on any of those announcements. Alright, so they have their Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and their YouTube channel here as well. And if I click on this guys, you have their available assets, live cryptocurrency prices, you have the price of Bitcoin, Yearn Finance, Ethereum, Maker. You could also load more. So if you click on this one, it will load more cryptocurrency that you guys could go ahead and check out. You have the gainers, you have the losers. All right. So that's one thing that you also need to check out, because you have a bigger opportunity in, checking out and doing your technical analysis on the losing tokens, because they are bound to go up, and depending on the trend and all that. And guys, I would strongly recommend that you practice and review your technical analysis, especially if you are new in the industry. Go ahead and check out our channel. We have a lot of videos that you guys will definitely learn about, and stay until the end screen videos guys. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your cryptocurrency journey. All right, and looking at more guys, you have the security measures protecting your crypto with IRA. You have a lot of information here: the KYC, the video recognition, type 2 certification, educational resources, and digital asset insurance. Okay, and guys, this is how you could also buy Bitcoin. So you can open your account here, and guys, you could see the floating bubble right here, the blue one. That is for the chat. So if you need to contact support, if you have any questions or anything like that, just go ahead and click on that one, and then you could send them a message. That way they can reply and answer your questions. All right, so Those are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about Bitcoin IRA. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.